guys, it's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. I just wanted to do this market recap. It's Friday. It's about 4:15 p.m. We ended up having a great week here. First, I want to go over the SPY, show you guys what we're looking at. SPY daily chart is what you see right up here in front of us. We ended up breaking down. So we drew this support line earlier. Last week here we drew this. Once we dropped below here, below that support line, right around the 18th, we jumped into some SPY puts as a hedge and an overnight trade. We had a big drop. We ended up closing that out the next day for a big gain. And we started off our week with some SPY puts that made over $500 on that one trade in the Trade Challenge account. So as you guys could see, we had a big rally today on Wall Street. Dow was up 358 points, 1.34%. NASDAQ up 241 points, 2.26%. And the SPY S&P 500 up 51 points, up 1.6%. The reason why we saw that big rally today was because the House, they agreed, they're voting on a $2.4 trillion stimulus package, which is going to include direct payments to Americans again. It's going to bail out some of the airlines and some of the other companies that are struggling still with COVID. So they announced a $2.4 trillion spending bill, a relief bill. That's going to be going for a vote possibly as early as next week. So when we heard that news this morning, that was the title of our morning YouTube video. We ended up buying a few trades, and as you guys could see, SPY did nothing but pick up. If I change this to a today 1 minute chart, you can see we pulled back a little bit this morning on opening bell, and let me zoom this out a little bit here. So here was this morning, right here at 9:25. Today's date, 9:30, we opened up, we pulled back a little bit, and then by 10:15 this morning, about 45 minutes in, we just started launching and taking off there. And we ended up watching UPS. So we had an original UPS trade that we ended up locking in pretty early this morning when the stock got up to about 160. I think it was up to about 163, 164. It was about 164. We locked in some profits, locked in a really nice gain, especially that UPS trade. It was a trade challenge trade. It was down about 40-50% yesterday. And then today we got that climb and we closed it out for a really nice gain. And as you can see in the back here, here's what we did for this week. And this is the Trade Challenge account. This is the account we started with, a small $2,500 account. You can see the date here from Monday till today, 9/21 to 9/25. Here's the trades that we did. We do have one other trade that's not closed out yet, but as you can see, FedEx, we locked in $234 profit on a FedEx trade. We had one losing trade on the SPY put that we closed out early for $173 loss. And then we made a couple other SPY puts here that we ended up closing out. This one is the one I talked to you about an 86% return on this SPY put, $502 profit. We got another one, jumped in that one. We used the profits from that trade, $502, to fuel this other trade here, that 324 strike put. So we ended up first locking in this profit of $502 on SPY. And then as you could see, we used that profit to fuel this trade here. And we put in about $586, closed it out for $778 for a net profit of $192.79. And then as you can see, we closed out that UPS trade today. It was for October 16th Expo, but I figured, you know what, it was down about 40-50% yesterday. We ended up having a nice gain on it. So I said, you know what, we'll close that out now for, I think it was, what was it, a 36% gain? I think it was a 36% gain, and we ended up closing that out for a gain, and then we used the profits for that to fuel another UPS trade, and that new UPS trade's up quite a bit here, and I'll show you UPS in a second here. Zillow, we jumped into a Zillow trade based on mortgage applications are up 25% over a year ago. So we jumped into a Zillow trade. That was another one that was just one night. It was an overnight trade. We bought the trade for $570, closed it out the next day for $719 for a net profit of $148.52. And again, you can see here's our profit for the week, $1,105.65, and that's just for this week here. And this is in the small trade challenge account that we started with $2,500. So you started with 2,500. Now we're up to the point where we're making over $1,000 a week in this trade challenge account. So really nice setup there, and we did a great job trading that. Now next week, as you can see here, UPS, we ended up locking in those nice profits on UPS. Now here's the thing, UPS was just upgraded by a couple of companies. One of them, the lowest, upgraded it to 180 a share. The other one, 186, and the other one, 190. So it's got some momentum here, and if it breaks above the resistance of this candle here on September 16th of about 167.50, if we could break that resistance on Monday, I'm going to be adding to some more of our UPS trades and looking for that 175 to 180 target, which should be another easy 50 to 100% return. So I'm liking the way things are looking. The reason why the markets are picking up, though, is because of the House saying they have a $2.4 trillion stimulus package that they want to vote on for next week. So as you can see, that made the market rally quite a bit today. Now, obviously, if that breaks down, we're going to see the markets break down along with that. So it's really important to keep the eye on the news, keep your ears listening in on what's going on Washington. And what's really important now is making these short-term swing trades, short-term day trades, locking in these profits during these times of market volatility. So if you guys could please give this video a thumbs up, like it, subscribe to our channel, comment, share it on social media, I would really appreciate that because we're putting in a lot of work. And if you guys could see, those of you that are members here, go to the website. You guys could go to the education page now, and you could see we got some videos uploaded for you guys here for anywhere from if you're a beginner trader, totally new to trading, we got you covered. So this is a beginner class. This one's really good. It's animated here, and you'll be able to see that we go over great examples throughout this session here of this example. So it's really great. We're talking about examples here, different things that we're doing, and you know, it's really good if you're totally new to trading. And then if you've already traded before, we got some great classes here, calls, puts, how to set up your charts like us, how to read things, intermediate on hedging, how to use vertical call spreads here, when to hedge your positions. You can see they're right down below. So we got some really nice classes here, whether you're a beginner trader, intermediate, or advanced trader. We got you covered for everything. So great week this week, guys. And then again, if you guys want, go to home and you can see we have a morning market reports. This is us going over our pre-market video. And here it was this morning. We were talking about the new stimulus bill. If you guys watch this, I said, guys, the markets are down about 130 points. We rallied because of this stimulus bill, and we took advantage of that today. So that's really important. If you guys go here, here's all of our morning market videos. That's really going to help you guys out throughout the trading day. And then we have the market wrap-up videos, which are here. So you guys could take a look at these as you wish. And then every Tuesday and Thursday for our elite traders, our pro traders, we have trade analysis. And if you click on that, this is where we go over all of our current trades and how to manage your positions, because that's really important as a trader. You see how volatile Wall Street was this week, yet we still were able to lock in over a $1,100 profit by managing our trades and by taking advantage of short-term volatility here in the market. So great job this week, guys. If we could see another breakout next week, I think we're going to have another big week, and we're going to take further advantage of some of these cyclical trend trades like FedEx, UPS. Obviously, they're buying into these now because of the holiday season. So if you look at FedEx here, you can see FedEx had a big breakout here as well because of the holiday season. Look at it, it's been holding above that 10-day simple moving average for months now. And obviously, we're continuing to climb ahead of the holiday season. Digital sales, online sales are they're up like 90% from last year. So that's big news for FedEx, UPS, as more people are buying online compared to going to the stores. So we've been taking advantage of FedEx, UPS, and we're going to see what we could take advantage of next week. So great job this week, guys. Members did really well. It was really great to see everyone back. It was the first full week back. So great job, and I will see you guys on Monday. Hope everyone has a great weekend. God bless. Stay safe out there. And again, if you guys could please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it on social media, I'd greatly appreciate it. Take care, guys, and have a good weekend.